Hello students, welcome to the Green Oxford Academy. Today our topic of discussion is matrices and determinants. Chapter 1 of class 9 mathematics. We are going to solve question number 3 of exercise 1.1. Question number 2 and 1 I have already solved in my previous lecture. Link is available in description, you may watch it. Question number 3 is find the values of A, B, C and D which satisfy the matrix equation. Student, in order to compute the values of these variables, we have to compare the elements of the first matrix with the elements of the second matrix. Let's have a look to the elements of these matrices. The first element of the first matrix A plus C is equal to 0, which is the first element of the second matrix, denoted by equation 1. Now come to the next element, A plus 2B is equal to minus 7, which is designated by equation 2. Now come to the next element C minus 1, which is equal to 3, as I designated by equation 3. Now the last and the fourth element of the first matrix, 4D minus 6 is equal to 2D, which I have designated with equation 4. Now in order to compute the values of these variables, let's start with equation 3 and 4. Since equation 3 and 4, it has single variable, it would be easier to solve it. Now from equation 3, C minus 1 is equal to 3, so the value of C is equal to 4. Now from equation 4, 4D minus 6 is equal to 2D. After arranging the variables and the constant in the equation, the final value of D is equal to 3. By plugging the values of C and D into equation 1 and 2, we can compute the values of variable A and B. Here you can see the equation 1, A plus C is equal to 0. By plugging the value of C is equal to 4 into equation 1, we have the value of A is equal to minus 4. Similarly, by plugging the value of A is equal to minus 4 into equation 2, we can easily find or compute the value of B. After plugging the value of A is equal to minus 4 into equation 2, the value of B is equal to minus 3 by 2. Now students, we have computed the values of these variables. In order to check whether these variables satisfy the matrix equations or not, we have to plug these values into the matrix equation. In order to satisfy matrix equation, just plug the values of variables A, B, C and D into the following equation. By plugging these values into the matrix equation, minus 4 plus 4, minus 4 plus 2 times minus 3 by 2, by plugging the value of C, 4 minus 1. Now by plugging the value of D, 4 times 3 minus 6. And the value of D similarly in second matrix, 2 times 3. Finally, we have both matrices are equal. Hence, it is proved that the values of these variables A, B, C and D are correct. Question number 3 is done. This was the last question of exercise 1.1. Hope you would understand it. In next lecture, we will be discussing about exercise 1.2.